Hello everyone, welcome back to Outdoor Adventures with Jake. As you see, I'm back at the camp again. I don't plan to do a lot of work up here today. I just wanted to come up here and enjoy the day. Maybe cook up some food, have some good beers, and just have a good time. But I'm gonna get unpacked, get my chair set up, and get this fire going since it's a little bit chilly right now. So I will get back with you in just a little bit. So I've decided to bring up the mini chainsaw with me just to speed the whole process of getting the fire going up. And then after that I'll use the saw and axe. Cuts like butter. Well, now she's starting to get a little rotten. Hopefully it's not all rotten. So I think I'm gonna get some bigger stuff cut up, but I don't want to waste the battery on the mini chainsaw, so I'm just gonna use my saw. I ended up losing the little clip that was in there, so now I'm using a little Allen key, but it works. Definitely not used to that. But I'm gonna go with that for now. That'll get it going. It's good dry wood, but everything's dry here. Summer just ended, so. So I've went ahead and processed all my wood down, so it makes it a little bit easier to light this fire. So I've got my pencil lead, pencil thickness over here. We got the thicker stuff, and then thicker and thicker over there. I'm gonna get this fire going, and then I think it's beer time. So I got some old man's beard I had to collect from another spots. Put that in there. Now last time this stuff didn't really take a spark too great, so we'll see how this works. Oh, I think we got fire. We do. Just get a couple pieces of birch bark on there to get it going a little bit longer, so I don't have to rush through this. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, I think we're gonna have fire. Yeah, there we go. Okay, where is it? Okay. I put my birch bark in a little plastic baggie so it stays dry. Okay, now that that's on, we have some time. Now I'll place these on there, let them have some air. Hope you can see this. Maybe I'll zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. And I'm just gonna start piling everything on. If anything is damp, then it'll dry out. The smoke should go away in a little bit. I'm sorry if it's too smoky for you all. But if you've been watching my channel for a while, you've seen me do this before. Okay. While that's catching, we're gonna put everything away so I don't end up losing it or misplacing it. Got a little bit of smoke, but that will dissipate. Well, now that I'm all kind of set up now, I think it's time for me to have a beer. Today I'm drinking Space Kitty. There's not really any writing on the can, but I will kind of bring it up to you guys. It's like a grapefruit juicy IPA. Well, it tastes like grapefruit to me. Parallel 49 Brewing Company. They're based out of Vancouver, BC. Delicious beer. Well, not a lot has happened since the last time I checked in with you guys. I've just been hanging out by the fire, drinking my beer, listening to some music, and just enjoying the day. It looks like we might be getting some weather coming in here. It was turning out to be a pretty nice day. There was blue sky and sunshine, but it's looking like it's gonna start raining or snowing here pretty soon. That's alright. If it does rain, it's not gonna rain that much anyways. I've just been trying to get enough coals in here so I can cook my lunch. Today I brought up some spicy Italian sausages. So I'm gonna give them a shot. I actually didn't bring a grill with me, so I'm gonna have to find a way to cook these things. But I don't think it'll be that hard. Well, it looks like it's time for another beer. My next beer is Sleeman's Honey Brown Lager. I brought 4 of these ones up and 2 of the Space Kitties. I didn't really have a big selection of beer today. So I want to thank you all, everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I have finally passed 1,000 subscribers. I want to say thank you to everybody that has subscribed to my channel and that is still following along. I really appreciate it, and I'm glad you guys have a lot of patience with me because my videos have kind of gotten a little bit scattered and all over the place. So about a couple weeks ago I reached out to Nightcat Tent Company again, and they are kind enough, they're gonna send me another tent, so stay tuned because there's gonna be a couple review videos coming up. I'm not going to tell you guys yet what the tent is, but I'm super excited to get this tent and try it out. It's a pretty awesome tent. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe and keep the bell notifications on, because I will be putting a video out as soon as it gets here. I'm not sure how long it's going to take, but I'm hoping within a couple weeks I will have it, and then we'll have a video put up. And as far as the camp here, I know I've had some questions about what I plan to do with it, how I plan to insulate it. And my answer is, I honestly, I haven't thought that far ahead. I just kind of go with the flow and see how things go. I started putting this thing up and it turned out pretty good, but in this area there's not really a good amount of wood for building. So it's going to take me probably a little while to gather more logs for this project. One second. I think I see something. Sorry guys. I just seen some movement in the trees, and turns out it was a dude walking up the mountain here. He was doing a little hike. So anyways, where I was is where I am is there's not really a lot of material. Everything here is pretty well either rotted or burned, and in the area that I live in, I wouldn't really call this forest. It's more of like a dry, deserty kind of like woodland. But I was thinking maybe I'd bring some canvas tarps up. We'll maybe get one put on the roof here and maybe throw a whole bunch of debris on it to make it look a little bit more on the natural kind of side. And same thing with the back wall too. And right in the front area, I'd like to do a weave. So if I can find enough small sticks, I'd like to weave a wall. So, because the wind likes to come from this way, from where you guys are right now, it likes to come in. So if I can get a wall up here, I won't have the sparks flying everywhere and burning holes and everything. So that is the plan. I can't really give you guys a time when I plan to finish it, but that is my end goal. If any of you guys have any ideas, any other ideas, you guys can just drop it in the comments below, and I would really appreciate that, actually. I'm open to suggestions. I've got a nice fire going now. So I think I'm gonna just let this fire die down a little bit, and then I think I'm gonna get some food cooking. So I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. Well, I think the fire's died down enough now that I can probably start cooking my sausages. Probably got a good enough heat here where I can cook them without burning them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use these saplings that I collected, and just gonna put them across the fire here. Just kind of like so. Okay. And then I've got all the other, no. And then I've got all these little pieces that I had from them. So I'm going to use them. I'm not sure how well this is going to work. I've never done this kind of thing before, so I just wanted to give it a shot. And there we go. I think that'll cook up the smokies really nice. Or the sausages, I should say. Now these things are raw, so they're going to take a little while to cook. And that's why I grabbed live saplings. Alright, so I'll let them cook for a little bit, and probably within about 20 minutes they'll be ready to be eaten. Well, they're almost ready. And they're looking delicious. So far, the grill that I have made has not caught on fire. I've just been slowly feeding it little twigs, and it's been cooking pretty good. I'm looking forward to trying them out. They are going to be so good. Well, it's just started to rain. I kind of seen this coming. The clouds were coming in, but I've got a cover over the camera, and I think these sausages might be done. I'm going to pull one off and cut it open and see if it is fully cooked. They have to be fully cooked because they're pork. Let's maybe wipe that knife off just to be safe. Oh, look at that. That there looks fully cooked, and it is hot. So I'm gonna move the rest off to a rock just over here, just to keep them warm, and I'm gonna build this fire up a little bit more. It is getting later on in the day, and it's kind of looking like I'm going to be walking out of here in the dark. But that's alright, I need to get used to it because the next few months are going to be pretty dark when I come out of here anyways. So I brought my flashlight, so I shouldn't have any issues. So I'm going to get these things off here, and I'm going to dig in. And I must say, this grill worked really, really good. Just having the green wood and not having it burn while I'm cooking it was really nice. And it's easy enough. You just take it apart. They're going to be hot, but take them apart, put them aside, and maybe you might get like another use out of them, maybe two. It's definitely something I'm going to try out again. Anyways, I gotta get this fire stoked up a little bit. Let's put one of them on there, and then all these guys. It's gonna get a little smoky here for a little bit, but I think we'll be good. And then by the time I leave, it'll be died down enough where it's safe to actually leave. Cheers, everyone. Delicious. Oh right, I forgot. I made a little poker fork. I'll be right back. Alright, grab my poker stick. Just a little Y stick, just sharpen at the end. Works perfect. I really didn't need to have 2 of them, but this works good. Very good. And the fire's kicked up again. Yeah, this is good. They definitely, well, they definitely have a little bit of heat, that's for sure. But super delicious. After I'm done eating, I'm probably going to pack my stuff up, let this fire die down, and start hiking out of here. It's going to be dark here probably within the next hour. And I'll likely be hiking out of here in the dark for sure. Look at that. So good. Anyways, I'm gonna finish eating and I'll get back with you in a little bit. Well, I think it's time for me to start heading out of here. I still gotta let the fire die down a bit, but I'm gonna end this video right now. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video and you would like to see more videos like this, please make sure you like and subscribe. And press that bell notification so you don't miss a video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.